Hey, now here's a Goodyear Cadillac. Just in a unique, especially in classics, 1957 Cadillac Series 62 Coupe. Look at that two-door hardtop. Original color of this car, turquoise and alpine white. 34 paint code for the turquoise, 12 for the alpine white. 365 numbers matching engine underneath the hood. And look at the chrome. Dagmars up front, the grille, bright work, headlight surrounds, all of that looks good. Believed to be an original mile car, a little over 32,000 miles. There is a publication from in the 80s, I believe it was, when this car was listed for sale. Cruise auction, I believe it was also, and noted that it was original miles back then. And I'll take a picture of that and have it in with the still pictures. That's where you can see the stamped engine blocks. You know its numbers matching. You'll be able to see the VIN, the data tag or call tag, all in the still pictures, undersides, interior. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the wide white walls. You can take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's pretty much free of any major nicks, dings, scratches, anything like that. Paint shows well on this one. And here's a throwback to the 50s and 60s for you. Look at the seat covers. You gotta love that. Remember the plastic seat covers in case that ice cream cone spilled on there. Now, as far as this interior, light gray Neptune pattern cloth and light gray cloth and coated fabric. So to me, boy, that looks like the original interior. Cadillac experts, with the exception of those seat belts, put a comment down below in the comments. But as far as I can see, it definitely looks like original interior. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the rear chrome, where the exhaust exits out of the rear bumper, the bright work. Unique Classic Cars. Here you can see all the still pictures. See the underside, trunk, which also looks all original. Engine, again, numbers matching. Power steering, power brakes paired up with an automatic transmission. As we take a look down the driver's side from rear to the front, also really free of much of any nicks, dings, scratches. Let's check out this interior a little closer. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. I'm going to take a peek underneath the hood. Something else I want to show you underneath there too. Gives you a little better look at the interior, and it's just not really much wear on that fabric, really at all. Those seat covers have been on since day one, or I don't know, matching door panels. Of course, the VIN. And then take a look at the bright work and chrome on this interior. Look at the top of this dash. You can tell this car is stored indoors, no doubt about it. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Again, 365 cubic inch, numbers matching. Engine underneath the hood, again paired up with an automatic transmission. And there's your miles. It's believed to be original, 32,896. Like I said, I can kind of go off some of the advertising from prior when this was advertised as original miles. Once the car is so old, it does not stay on the title. It'll just be marked exempt. So I can just tell you what I have found with the research and going through some of the things in the car, and then by looking at the interior, the engine bay would not surprise me at all. The chrome and bright work in the dash. All right, should be warmed up enough here. Slip around to the back so you hear it run. Oh, nice, that door closed. Wow. There you go. Nothing crazy over the top as far as exhaust. I'm going to slip up to the front. Let me pause this a second. We'll pop that hood. Check out the engine bay, wrap up this video. Here's the underside of the hood, and I don't know if I've ever seen this before, still on a car, especially like a Cadillac. There is the Cadillac identification card, which back in the day would have said who owned it, where they were from, that information. That is still on this car. Also, the original owner's manual is with it. Here's that original numbers matching. 365, power steering, power brakes, and looking very original underneath the hood also. '57 Cadillac Series 62 Coupe. Turquoise and Alpine white. Nice looking two-door hardtop. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1957 Cadillac Series 62 Coupe. This is a beautiful car. Great turquoise color. We have plastic on the seats inside. They look like new. This does have seat belts added. It is an automatic. Both turn signals are working. The blower motor works. Our temperature gauge is at 1/4 right now, warming up. Fuel is showing about 1/8 of a tank. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry, and we wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. Let's get up some speed. This has the optional clock in the dash.
And I never...
Radio does work. Here we're doing 55 miles an hour. It's quiet, smooth ride. Pretty straight. Pretty luxurious ride for its time. Nice and straight down the road. There isn't even play in the steering that I can feel, so it's in really good condition. Definitely want to check this out on our website, uniqueclassiccars.com, or come see it in our showroom.